And welcome. This is the Part 2 Model 30 Pneumatonometer Unofficial User's Guide and Tips. This is the use and troubleshooting part. The instrument has already been set up as shown in Part 1, and now we're going to use it. So you can start it up in pulse or regular, doesn't matter. And the most important thing is when you place the probe on the eye, you want to make sure the lids are out of the way, and we're going to press on the orbital rim. Fixate orbital rim, do not press on the globe. You'll notice the two lines there. Notice how the handpiece is pushed forward so that one line is buried, one line is showing. The red and black are not always in this location, but what's important is that the handpiece is halfway in between, one showing, one not showing. Don't stop until you hear the change in the tone. The recommended FDA protocol for the studies is right, left, with 2 readings each. The right versus right, left versus left must be 3 millimeters or less. If not, then we do a tiebreaker. So if you do 1825 and then you get a tiebreaker 23, you record 2325 and throw out the 18. It's really important to do it that way, as that's how all of the studies were done. Here's the protocol for using the probe. Gently rock it back and forth. Notice how it goes in and out nice and easy. That is a pass. Then we turn the machine on and boom, pushes straight out. That is a pass. So now this probe is good to go, ready to go. Here's the second probe, and look at this. See how it's not falling easily? It just has some kind of a sticking. This is a total fail, and you cannot use this probe. Now watch. If you try to push the gas through it, same thing. It doesn't come out easily. So there's no way to use this probe, and unfortunately these probes cannot be fixed. This probe has to be either discarded or sent back to the factory. Here's another probe. So the rocking test, it passes very nicely. And now we're going to do the gas test. See that? It does not come out. So you have to have the probe horizontal with it all the way in, and it should push straight out easily. The most common failure point is right there where the steel and the plastic come together. If you have another Model 30, swap the probe, make sure the gas is functioning properly. If it's not, look in the back. That little filter back there sometimes comes undone, or maybe it needs to be replaced. You can replace the tip. You can try recalibrating. But if absolutely nothing works, you have to call the company for support, and the machine probably has to go back. So there we go. That is Part 2, Unofficial User Guide and Tips, Use and Troubleshooting for the Model 30 Pneumatonometer. Thank you very much.